Got a little jerky review here. Never saw this before. Just impulsed me in the checkout aisle. SlantShack spicy red rub. Cayenne, chili pepper, basil, molasses. That definitely got my attention. And I kind of like it. Almost reminds me like old 3D glasses, you know, red and blue. The packaging just stood out to me. One magical summer, 9 friends came together under an askew roof with a passion to create a delectable snack they could feel good enjoying. Today that passion lives on at SlantShack. Huh. Well, check them out. That's an interesting origin story. That's my boat getting rocked by somebody that just has to haul ass on the lake to get where they're going instead of just being chill. But anyway, let's try it out. Ooh, it smells good. Looks funky. Definitely got a lot of coating on it. Jesus Christ, look at this. Rocking my boat. By the way, just consider this a public service announcement that you don't have to just haul ass all day on the lake. Jesus. But back to this jerky review. Man, it is really coated with whatever this coating of cayenne, chili pepper, basil, and molasses is, and it's good. Wow. I'm glad I picked this up. 100% recommend this stuff. Let's see if I can put a link to it. My boat's creeping up on me. Anyway, damn. This is really good. 100% thumbs up on this particular product. Try to find a link where you can buy some online. Like, I'd order some of this. Anyway, hit the thumbs up on the video if you don't mind. It feels good. Subscribe to the channel. Why not? I'm going to go deal with my boat and have a wonderful day.